Hey my precious friends, how's your day going? Today we're doing part 2 of my container garden. Y'all come on along and help me get my garden going. But first, our scripture for this video is Revelation 22:17. And the Spirit and the bride say, Come, and let him that heareth say, Come, and let him that is athirst come, and whosoever will, let him take the water of life freely. Okay friends, let's get into this. This is Snoopy, and he's my Charlie Brown Christmas tree from Christmas. And so I'm repotting him, giving him some water. I usually don't have much luck with these guys. Every year I try to transplant my tree. I always buy a little tree, Charlie Brown tree for Christmas. So we'll see. And I'm filling up from the compost pile that from the previous episode of Lela's Container Garden into my buckets and getting these plants ready to go. That's a red bell pepper there. I got the majority of these containers at the $1.25 tree, and some of them may have been on the $3 and $5 aisle, but most all of them were $1.25. And blue is my color. You're going to see that as I start releasing my videos, that's kind of been my thing this year is blue. I don't know what's up with that, but it's subject to change. I think last year everything had to be pink. Here I'm using my little Ryobi tool set. I have a video of me buying that and unboxing it and testing it out, so please go look at that. But I'm putting my drainage holes into my pot for my plants. I had tried with a hammer and I knocked a pretty good size hole in one of them and ruined the pot. So this is my second. And I had to press it down on that stool or a hard surface underneath. Well, it would have done the same. It would have like punctured through and made a big crack versus a little bitty small hole. I'm learning by trial and error. I haven't done a whole lot of seed planting this season. I did mostly plants, but I have done a few things, and this is one of them. It's kale, spinach, and lettuce, and I got it going in these containers. I'll share that with you, me planting the seeds. And what I mean by that is I bought plants at the store versus me starting the seeds back in February and getting them going and having the plants and transplanting them at the right time. In my mind, that's the most sensible, ideal thing to do is to start your seeds early and transplant them. But it's just with my living situation, it wasn't feasible this year. Hopefully next year. What most likely will happen, I still will be in the RV. Hopefully I'll have the land at that point and have some sort of situation where, although I won't be able to start the seeds inside here, there's just not enough room. I can figure out something. You know, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Usually my names for my plants come right away, but I haven't named these. I just realized that as I'm editing this, that I need to come up with a name. If you guys have any suggestions for the kale, the spinach, and the lettuce, they need to be named. Okay, I take that back. The spinach is going to be olive oil, so now we have to name the kale and the lettuce. Are we just going to name that Fabio along with the lettuce that the plants I've already planted? I kind of think so. Just make it easy. All my lettuce is Fabio. And so just the kale. Okay, guys, y'all help me with the kale. I'd like to take a minute to welcome anyone that's new to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell for when I drop a new video, and share with your friends and family. And of course, to my wonderful little loves that are returning, thank you for coming back, and thank you for being here with me and staying in, hanging in with me. I love having you come along with me as I'm just doing my day-to-day things and things that I enjoy and am interested in. Although I'm drawing blanks on what to name the kale, it's really nutritious and beneficial for your health. High amounts of vitamin C and vitamin A and potassium. There's a really therapeutic side to gardening, and just having living things grow around you is good for you mentally, and just getting out there and doing something. The physical side of it's good for you mentally and physically. It's gonna help with those muscles. If you're out there with garden tools actually in the ground, you're really helping your muscles and your body. Okay, we finally got that planted, guys. We're going to be moving on to planting our plants. That sounded weird to me for some reason. I don't know. It wasn't a rhyme. It was the exact same word. I don't know. I'm weird, you guys. You know already. Um, okay, here we're moving on to the butter crunch lettuce, and this is Fabio. And I've already posted a short. Please go find it and watch it. Help me with my channel. Help my channel grow. As I got it, it had broken off. The stem had broken off the root. So I just recycled the soil and the root, and I stuck where it had broken off at the stem down in there. So I was like, why not? Let's give it a go. See how it works. And this is how it's looking with all of them transplanted. I don't have a setup yet. Well, I'm kind of starting to get a setup for filming with my hands free, so you can see more of just what I'm doing, how to do things, and like just what's generally going on in the video. Just a quick reminder, remember early on I said I was a novice at this, so if you see me doing things wrong, be gentle with me in the comments. I don't mind you saying, hey, here's another way, or just tips on how to do things better, more efficiently. I'm down for that. I love the help, and hopefully that I'm helping somebody too that's thinking about gardening that never have. They can just kind of see, hey, just the best thing to do sometimes is just jump in there and start doing it. You learn, and you learn by your mistakes a lot of times in everything in life. Now here is SpongeBob. I got a short about SpongeBob. He's a pineapple I grew from just a pineapple top that I bought from the store. I love pineapple. He's doing really good. He's kind of finicky. He's doing good one minute and sometimes not. I think it's just a balance between water and sun for him, because he's tropical in the environment I live in. But he's pretty happy. Okay, my lovelies, y'all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Lela out.